Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Learning English. So keep on watching this video lesson up to the end. If you think it's helpful, so please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Oh, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my forthcoming video lessons. So let's get started. Today's lesson, how to write script type capital letters. Okay? Now we will learn script type capital letter. Okay? So we have learned block capital letter also. So see the block capital letter. This is A. Okay. Block capital A. And block capital letters, all the block capital letters are written with this space up middle. Okay. Up and middle, these two spaces are used. So now we learn script type capital letter A. Just here stroke is straight stroke. Okay. And for script capital letter, the stroke is actually artistic stroke. You will get so many types of artistic stroke for script type capital letter. If you see the type from your computer, so you will see different types of stylish, different types of artistic script type capital letter. So I am writing like this. Look, slanting A. Okay, just here look straight, but here artistic. This is slanting also, and for script type letter it is also artistic. Okay, next block B. So script type B. C, block C, and script type C. Block capital D and script T. E. Block capital E. E, script type F, block capital G, this is block capital G. H, H, I, block, capital I, J, J. So this letter is taken 3 spaces, up, middle and down. J. Block K, K, K. Next, block L and script L, script L. Next, M, capital block capital M, script type M, block N, script type N, block O, script type O, block P, P. Next, Q, block capital Q, Q, block R, R, block S, S, block T, T, block U, U, block V, V, block W, script type W, block X, X, block Y, Y, Z, Z. So in this way, just see Now we will write from A to Z script type letter. Actually, these script type letters are written with minimum stroke. With minimum stroke. Look. This is A with one stroke. Here B, two stroke. C, one stroke. D, one stroke. E, one stroke. This is two stroke. Actually, we have to write with minimum stroke, and this script type capital letters are used for cursive writing. So how it is used, you will see the next video lesson. Okay, F, next G. Look, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here is end. Here is end.